Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 71 GMC 1500 Super Custom Short Box. Real short box. K1500 means it's a real short box. Not the original color. They didn't come in this color in 71, but good looking car, good looking truck. Got a great metallic shine to it. Got custom wheels, 32s, well 265 70 17, so they're about 32s. Not a lot of flaws right there. I can show you one where they scratched it here when they got some paperwork goes with it. Interior is good, been restored, doesn't need anything. Motor's been restored. Truck, like I said, real KE as you've seen on the VIN right there, and has a RPO tag in the glove box that matches it. So a lot of these have had cabs replaced, not this one. This is original Washington truck. Nice dry truck. Beautiful truck. This show quality. You can go show this anywhere except for the couple little minor scratches on the gas cap, and then maybe a little bit or something. That's not really anything. Right there's a little something, but very minor, very minor. Above average driver quality, and I would call it a smaller show. There's a lot of these trucks around, so in a big show you probably won't place, but you will in a smaller little regional show. So super nice truck, runs great, drives great. 605-695-7391.